Welcome, and first of all, congrats on taking action. You're just a few steps away from creating your own website. In this training, we're going to cover how to build a website fast without spending lots of money by using pre-built templates, and these templates are easy to install and customize. To give you an idea of what you're going to learn here, you're going to understand how websites work, and whether it's Facebook.com, Google.com, or DigitalSecrets.com, all websites have the same structure and they work the same way. And by following the 3 steps below, you're going to get your own website up, and we're going to give you in this video the walkthrough of all these steps. And then point number 3, you're going to get a free professional looking website. And for now, we're getting really good feedback for these designs, and in the future it's going to be paid, but you can take advantage now while it's free. And number 4, you're going to join our Facebook group where you can get support, you can ask questions, you can get additional resources, and you can network with us and with other people who are building their website, who are promoting them, and who are monetizing them. And then number 5, you're going to get a complete training. So in this video, we're going to cover only the setup of the website, but if you want to get additional training of how to add another page, how to add a blog, how to add a shop, then you're going to access the training that was sent to your email address because you left the email on the previous page, and you can complete your website, or if you have other questions, you can always post in the group to get support. And let's get into the basic of a website. So as I mentioned, the website has some parts that are present in every single website. It's the domain name, the hosting, and the website files. The domain name for Facebook.com, it's just what people type in. It's facebook.com. You go to your browser and you type these characters, and you're going to go to the website facebook.com. Same for Digital Secrets or for any other name. It's just, it could be, for example, facebook.co, facebook.biz, facebook.es if it's for Spain. Then the second one, it's hosting. The second necessary part is hosting, and it's like a computer that works 24/7, and you would place your website there, and people can access it 365 days per year, 24/7, from any part of the world. People can access your website. And then the third part is website files, where CMS. Don't be afraid of this like complicated terms. It's just a content management system, and most of the websites in the world are run by WordPress, which is really easy to use, and we're going to show you in the training how to use it. And then next we're going to cover hosting and the domain. So you don't need coding, you don't need technical skills, it's not a complicated setup. So step number 1 is to choose a domain, and to do this I'm going to go to the page where you're on right now, and I'm going to click this button which says domain name generator. Just click on it, and then just think of what would you want your website to be about. For example, me, I'm passionate about travel, and I would just start with this keyword, travel, and I would want to include my name in it, so I would be Travel Nick. Yeah, that's pretty good. Travel Nick is not available. As you can see, if it's red here, then it's not available. If it would be green, then you can register it. And this tool, we're only using it to find the name because we don't need to buy it. In the second step, we're going to get the domain name. So just looking at these names, Go Travel Nick. I really like this one, so I will choose Go Travel Nick. A few good tips for domain names would be, it needs to be short and no numbers. I recommend to not add numbers and dashes, no numbers and dashes. And then it needs to have a brandable name so that you can later turn your website into a brand. So I will just choose this one and go back to the page and go with the second step. Now the second step is to get hosting. Hosting is, as I explained, it's a computer, it's a server that works 24/7, where your website will be hosted and people will be able to access it anytime, anywhere, from anywhere in the world. And this is the only thing that is paid in this training, and you just click on this button. And for all of our websites, we use Bluehost, and Bluehost is the most affordable one, best servers. They have really good support, but we're going to cover support in the Facebook group, as I explained. So we're just going to click this button, get started, and this is where you would just select your package. The first package is basic, which the difference is that it's one website. We either go with this one or with this one. At the moment we have I have package plus from Bluehost, which allows me to have unlimited website, unlimited SSD storage, and also one important thing is unlimited domains. You can choose first one if you're going with one website, or you can choose the second one. Let's say for this example, I'm going to go with the second one. I'm going to click select, and I'm going to put the domain that I chose there. So it's going to be Go Travel Nick, and I'm going to click next. Or if you have a hard time finding a domain, you can click this button at the bottom which says I'll create my domain later. Let's go Travel Nick. Great, it's available as we have found in our tool. And you can either connect with your Google account, or you can put type in all the name, last name, country, and all of this. It's really easy to do, and you can choose what plan do you want. You can get 36 month, 12 month, and also, like, I don't really know if you need all of this. It's just read if you need domain privacy. If it's something private you're doing, you can get domain privacy. I usually don't get it. I make it public for my website. Then I can just get HotGuard basic or not get it. I can get SiteLock security or not get it. And then you just select what you need from here, and then put in your credit card and get hosting. You're gonna need hosting so that you get the login and the email to send to us in Messenger, which is step 3, and we're gonna install the template. And we're gonna move into third thing right now, which is gonna be how to get the template. So you're gonna go on the page, and step number 3 is connect in Messenger. Click this button, and you're gonna go in Messenger and write us a message that you completed step 1 and 2, and somebody in our team is gonna install the template for you. To get an idea of how the template looks like, maybe you have already previously connected with us and you selected the template, or maybe you wanna get a new one. So let me show you our website, which is digitalsecrets.com. As you can see, this looks really professional. Nice graphics, nice design, material design. All these elements look really good. And you would be thinking that there must be like a lot of time that has been put into making this website, which is true, but you would not have to do this because you would be using a template, and all you would have to do is just change some text. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. Change text, change buttons, add your own elements, add your own images, add your own testimonials if you need them on your website. And let me actually give you the instruction on how to edit it. So let me just edit this headline. It would be just so easy. I just click on it and just remove 2020 if I want it. A digital educational project, unique digital education project. And if I want to change the text on this button, I'll just click on it, click settings, and then just say create your free website, right? And I can add more buttons. If I want, I can just duplicate this item. So I just click on it and copy module, or maybe just click on this one and duplicate. And then if I want to move this button, I'll just click on it and drag it at the top. It's so easy to edit anything. If I want to edit this image, I'll just click on it, click settings, and just add an image or add another column, or whatever it is that comes to your mind about the design of your website. But if most of it is already done, you just need to fill in your information. That's how you get your website up and running fast, and it would look way more professional than you would have to do it like watch YouTube videos, or you'd have to pay a lot of money if you get somebody else to do it. That's why it's important to use templates. So if we get back to our presentation, we covered the Messenger button, which is how you would get the template. You just go on the page we're in right now and connect in Messenger. You just tell us you completed step 1 and 2, and somebody in our team is going to install the template for you. Now, we checked digitalsecrets.com and saw how it looks like. You can go and see it yourself, and this is the template that we are using. And one thing to mention, that you can change your template after it is installed. So somebody in our team will install the template that you need, And then, like, if you want to add another page that looks different, you can choose another template from the library. For example, let me show you another template that we have for restaurants. And this is a page. So as you can see, like, it looks really, really professional, another style, really nice buttons, reservation, view menu. So some information, really nice looking template for a restaurant. So if you own a restaurant or you are promoting one, you can use this template, and you can see blog post and hours of operation. Really nice information, all in one page, all looking very professional. So one more template before we continue. I can show you a doctor's office page. So as you can see, the page looks fantastic. Like when you're scrolling down, everything is interactive. It looks perfect on mobile as well. And the beautiful thing about this page, like, you can repurpose it easily for any other service. For example, you have I don't know, something unrelated, dentist maybe, realtor maybe. You can change images, change text, change buttons, other benefits here, and add your own contacts. You can collect information for any purpose with these templates. So that's another thing. You can edit it, and is it easy to edit? As you saw, it's really easy to add any element or change anything on our templates. So next, about the training. So you got the link to the training in your email. You just log into the membership, and you can see walkthrough videos just like this one about how to add more pages, how to add a blog, how to add a shop, and how to get more people to see your website. Obviously, when you have it ready, when you have it completed, you want as many people as possible to see it, and we're going to show you some strategies and some tips on how to promote your website. And then, if you have a question that is not covered in the training, you can post it in the Facebook group, and then we're going to make a video about it. And then I hope that at the end of this training, like watching what's inside the membership and this one, you will walk away with a complete website and hopefully ambitious goals for it, like however big you want your website to grow. And again, about the Facebook group, there's a button at the top, and you can post your support questions about how to promote your website. You can even promote your brand inside the group if you think that's valuable for our audience, and hope to see you inside the group. So I hope you enjoyed this training. It's a ton of value. Just make sure to follow the steps. And step 1, step 2, contact us in Messenger, and then join the group, and I hope to see you in the group. And if you feel like this training has helped you get a better idea of how to build your website, and also has given you resources, you can feel free to share this training. There's a button here which is you can share on Facebook, or you can just copy the link, share it with your friends if you feel it valuable. Thank you, and hope to see your next beautiful and professional website.